In this video, I'm going to show you how to link pages in StrawPage. Now first, you must have more than one page, so if you don't, go to the bottom right here, click on those three lines, and then from here inside the pages, you can create a new page. So I'm just going to name this one page 1, there we go, and now we're going to link it, okay? So we can link it using pretty much any object here on your page. So if I go and try to, for example, add on some text here, so I'm going to just put on some text, and I'm going to name this one, I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to say go to page 1 just like that. So go to page 1, there we go, and I'm going to make it done, and I'm going to make it like this, there we go. I can now basically link this to page 1. So if I click on here, I can go and basically down here at the bottom search for link, and then over here you can either paste, of course, a URL, or you could just link to a different page, like for example click on page 2, and this is going to link to page 2 whenever you click on it. Now of course you don't have to use text, you could go and use anything else. So for example, you have these buttons over here, which of course you could also set the link to any of your other pages just like this. You can use different shapes, or maybe like even these eyes or whatever you want to use. So pretty much anything can be linked. Okay, so I'm gonna link all this to page 1, there we go. And then of course it will make sense to, whenever you link to a page to the other page, you actually link back to your home page as well. So if I go to the page 1 over here, right now there's some text. I'm going to link this text back to my original one. So I'm gonna name this one go back to home, or go back home, just like this. And then I'm going to link this over here. I'm just going to use the link button, and I'm going to link this back to the home page. Okay, now let's see if this actually works and how it looks. So I'm gonna publish my site here, I'm going to save it, and I'm going to open it up over here in a separate tab. Now it should be published, okay? And as you can see, if I click on go to page 1, it's gonna go directly to my page 1, there we go. And then of course I can go back home if I click on here, and then I can of course click on these goggly eyes. It's going to take me back to page 1 as well, etc. Okay, so that's essentially how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.